Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this very delicious vegetable soup. So to begin, you want to clean and wash 3 bell peppers, 2 onion bulb. So what you're going to do, you're going to place the bell peppers and 1 onion into a food processor and you're going to process it. So after blending the bell peppers, you want to add 1 onion into the food processor and do the same thing. So once you're done, you're going to pour these bell peppers into the pot and then you're going to transfer this to the stove. Allow this boil until all the water is completely dehydrated. So please make sure your bell peppers do not burn on the fire, okay? So once your bell peppers are ready, you want to go ahead and take them out from the pot, clean the pot, and then you're gonna put the pot back on the fire for the main cooking. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go in with some prawns, some whole prawn, add some water, and then you want to blend this until smooth. Once that is ready, you're going to pour it into a plate and then you're going to set this aside. So next, you want to go ahead and cut and chop the remaining onion. So that's 1 red onion. So we're going to cut this and then we're going to set it aside. So once the onion is cut, you're going to want to go ahead and transfer the pot to the stove, and then to the pot you're going to add some red palm oil. You're going to let the oil heat up for just 2 minutes or less, and then to the oil you're going to go in with your already chopped onions. Now you're going to let the onion saute for like a minute before adding any other thing to the pot. So once the onion is ready, you're going to go ahead and add 2 cubes of Maggi naan, and then you're going to give it a gentle stir. So after adding the Maggi cubes, you want to go ahead and bring back your already cooked bell peppers. Okay, so you're going to add it to the pot and give it another gentle stir. You're going to allow this cook for just 1 minute, and then you're going to go ahead and add a little bit of pepper. So in this video I'm using already blended habanero pepper, just a little bit because my kids don't like spicy food. So I'm going to add that pepper, then I'm going to let everything cook for another 1 minute. So after about 1 minute, I'm going to come in with 2 bags of spinach. Okay, already chopped spinach. So I'm going to add it to the pot and I'm going to give it a very good stir. I'm going to stir this pot until the spinach and the bell peppers are well combined. So next I'm going to bring in some already smoked fish. Okay, after which I'm going to bring in the grinded prawn. Okay, so I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm going to go in and add some water. Then I'm going to give it a very gentle stir because you don't want the fresh fish to break. Okay, so whenever you're cooking with smoked fish or fresh fish, you don't want to turn the pot too vigorously so you don't break the fish. Okay, so at this point we're going to bring in our already cooked goat meat. And then we're going to give it another gentle stir. So guys, as you're watching this video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment section below. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. So I'm going to add some more water and then I'm going to give it another gentle stir. When cooking Nigerian foods, I mean you stir and you cover, you stir and you cover. I mean it's the norm. It's nothing out of the ordinary, okay? So I'm going to bring in some already cooked cow foot. Okay, this vegetable soup is packed with a lot of proteins and vitamins. You can use this with fufu, and you can also use this with boiled rice or yams. So this soup is like, it's multi-purpose. You can use it for pretty much anything, and you can also eat it as is without rice or fufu. So we're going to cover and let the soup boil. Then at this point, you're going to give your soup a little taste. If you need salt, you go ahead and add a little bit of salt to taste. Okay, cover, and then you're going to go ahead and add just one habanero pepper. Okay, so this is very optional. Okay, you don't have to add habanero peppers. So add habanero peppers if you can stand the heat, and then you cover and let it boil. So guys, after letting this boil for another 1 or 2 minutes, this vegetable soup is ready. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for sticking with me to the end, for watching this video to the end. Please like my video, subscribe to the Food Ninja, and leave me your comment in the comment section below. Tell me, what would you do differently when making vegetable soup like this? Thank you so much guys. Have yourself a very blessed week. Bye bye.